In this video you will learn how to sell on Amazon for beginners step by step, and if you stick to the end, I will share with you how to start a 7-figure Amazon business guide. If you have not subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and click on the bell notification to be notified every time I post a new video. The best reason as to why Amazon is the best place to start business is that the largest household brands sell on Amazon, emerging brands and also small and medium-sized businesses. Amazon has 300+ million active customer accounts in 180+ countries, 150+ million Prime members worldwide, and $3.5 billion sales was done by third-party selling partners during Prime Day of 2020. Step 1. Open Amazon Seller Central account. First, you need to register for either an individual plan or a professional plan. Amazon offers you the flexibility to sell one item or sell thousands. Before you begin registration, decide which plan is a better fit for your business. The individual plan costs 99 cents per sale, while sellers using the professional plan pay $39.99 per month, no matter how many items they sell. If you sell more than 40 items a month, the professional option makes a lot of sense. Whichever plan you select, you can change plans at any time. The individual plan might be right if you plan to sell fewer than 40 items a month. You want to keep upfront costs low. You don't need advanced selling tools or add-on programs. You're still deciding what to sell. The professional plan might be right if you plan to sell more than 40 items a month. You want access to advanced selling tools. You'd like to apply for add-on programs like Amazon Business, Launchpad, or Handmade. You're an established e-commerce seller. In order to complete your registration, make sure you have access to your bank account number and bank routing number, a chargeable credit card, government-issued national ID, tax information, and phone number. Amazon selling costs include the following but depend per the selling plan and the types of products you sell. They are subscription fees. These are the fees you pay for your selling plan, and they vary depending on which plan you select. On the professional selling plan, there's a flat fee of $39.99 per month and no per item fee. On the individual selling plan, there's a 99-cent fee for each item sold. Selling fees. These fees are charged per item sold, and they include referral fees, which are a percentage of the selling price and vary depending on the product's category, and variable closing fees, which apply only to media categories. Shipping fees. When you fulfill orders yourself, Amazon shipping rates apply. Amazon will charge these shipping rates based on the product category and shipping service selected by the buyer. FBA fees. For products that Amazon fulfills for you, known as Fulfillment by Amazon, or FBA, there are fees for order fulfillment, storage, and optional services. Once you register as an Amazon seller, you'll have access to your Seller Central account. Amazon Seller Central account is for managing your selling account, adding product information, making inventory updates, managing payments, and where you list all your products for sale. Things that you are able to do on Amazon Seller Central include: 1. Keep track of your inventory and update your listings from the Inventory tab. 2. Download custom business reports and bookmark templates you use often. 3. Use customer metrics tools to monitor your seller performance. 4. Contact selling partner support and open help tickets using the case log. 5. Keep track of your daily sales for all the products you sell on Amazon. Step 2. List products for sale. To sell a product on Amazon, you must first create a product listing. Either match an existing listing, if somebody else is already selling the same product on Amazon, or create a new listing, if you are the first or only seller. The specific way sellers upload and list their products varies depending on their selling plan. To put it simply, sellers using a professional seller account have the option of listing their products in large batches using third-party bulk uploading or inventory management systems, while individual sellers list products one at a time. Mandatory requirements for listing on Amazon Seller Central are: products must have a global trade item number, GTIN, such as a UPC, an ISBN, or an EIN. Amazon uses these product IDs to identify the exact item you're selling. If you match a listing, you won't need to provide a product ID since it already exists. If you're adding a product that's new to Amazon, you may need to purchase a UPC code or request an exemption. In addition to a product ID, here's some of the important information that goes into each product listing. SKU, product title, product description and bullet points, product images, search terms and relevant keywords. Step 3. Customize the product detailed page. The product detail page is where customers view a product sold on Amazon. This page enables customers find all the relevant information about a particular item. When creating your product detailed page, list things that will best help customers find your products, discover answers to their questions, and make a purchasing decision easier. Always make sure that your listing's concise, accurate, and easy to understand. Things that you must be in your product detailed page are: 1. Images of the product must be at least 500 pixels by 500 pixels, and preferably 1000 pixels by 1000 pixels to increase the zoomability and quality of your listings. 2. The title of the product, use 50 characters, maximum, and capitalize the first letter of every word. 3. Any variations of your product you have available, which may include things like different colors, scents, or sizes. 4. The description, which can be optimized for search engines using keywords to improve the reach of your product listings. 5. The featured offer, which is the section of the product page where customers can add items to their cart or buy now. If you're one of multiple sellers advertising the same product, research strategies for winning the featured offer to improve your overall sales. 6. The bullet point information, which should be short, descriptive sentences highlighting the product's key benefits, features, and differentiating characteristics. Step 4. Product delivery. There are two options for getting shoppers their products, and they are: merchant fulfillment, whereby you maintain your own inventory and ship products to customers, and fulfillment by Amazon FBA, whereby Amazon takes responsibility for packaging, labeling, and shipping products through fulfillment by Amazon FBA. While merchant fulfilled means you store and ship products directly to customers yourself. Amazon charges shipping rates based on the product category and shipping service selected by the customer, then passes the amount on to you in the form of a shipping credit. Remember that there are set shipping rates that apply to all products sold with an individual plan. Whereas the benefits of fulfillment by Amazon are: Amazon has more than 175 fulfillment centers around the world which contain more than 150 million square feet of storage space. With FBA, you get to store your products there. You also get Amazon's world-class customer service and returns, automatic Prime eligibility, and free Super Saver shipping that helps you scale your business fast. How fulfillment by Amazon works. 1. Ship your inventory to Amazon. It will be scanned and made available for sale. 2. With each order, Amazon packages and ships the product directly to the customer. 3. Amazon collects payment from the customer and pays you available funds every 2 weeks. 4. Amazon's customer service team handles questions, returns, and refunds. If you need more detailed information on how to launch and run successfully an Amazon business, download the How to Start a 7-Figure Amazon Business Guide from the description below. Also, remember to like and comment below to let me know that you appreciate this information. Plus, be sure to check out this next video to learn more about how to run a profitable Amazon business.